So this has been a long journey trying to put together a new hi-fi stereo system. It kind of started with this Decware Zen Triode amp, the SE84UFO2, which I ordered on December 7th, 2020. I think that was the same day that it was named Component of the Year or Amp of the Year. So it took a long time to get it, but I got it, and it's great, and I love it. But the thing I want to talk about today is I finally got some Klipsch LaScala speakers, and I have been searching for them. I was, every day on Craigslist, Hi-Fi Shark, Facebook, looking for speakers, and you would find some, and you go, oh, those are great, but, they would be in California or, Arkansas or something. So anyway, I found these. They were like 10 minutes from my house. They were, to me, in pristine condition compared to what I had been seeing online. So, I immediately bought them, and we're gonna test them out here in a minute, but I wanna show you a couple of things, if I can. Okay, so these are the specs on it. This is the type. It's LaScala. BR stands for Birch. The serial number is 28X516, and the X is the year it was made, which is 1982, and it's got the type AA, the double A crossover, and it looks, really, to me, new. And you can get, I'm going to try to link it before I forget, you can get the Klipsch Heritage Series historical codes and reference data online, and I found it, and that's how I found out about what the codes mean, and I'll try to link that, I guess, in the description. Turn this around. I think what I'll do is play just a couple of songs or parts of songs, and you can hear it. I haven't placed the speakers where they're gonna go yet, but I wanted to make this video. Okay, so that's a sampling of how they sound. I'm not sure about what music you can put on YouTube because of the licenses and copyrights and stuff. So these two particular songs I got off of, I think it's YouTube's library or Google's library, so they should be okay. Anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you later.